What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Alright, got the new version of Dream TV 329. This works on all different devices. Yes, it works for your second generation Firesticks now. So the developer contacted me, and he was a really good guy, really hardworking, got it to go. But let me show you how you get this. Now, if you don't have FileLink, get FileLink. I have all the links down below of how to get it. It's real simple to do on many different devices. I show you how to get it. If you don't know how, it's like I said, it's really simple. Go down into the description, check out the links for the videos, and then once you have that, you're going to enter in my FileLink store, which is 645-39676. You're going to enter that in. That takes you straight into my FileLink store. That's just a welcome screen. You could dismiss that. And you see right there, Dream TV 329. Now this is the newest version and it works very well. So you're going to click that download button or icon. That's just dismiss. And Dream TV, if you don't know about it, it's really good clone of Terrarium TV. See how that turned to a play button? Hit that play button or the icon. And then what you're going to do is hit install. Once you install that, it's going to say done or open, okay? And then from this point, you're going to, once it installs into your device, you're going to open it. But since I already have it, I'm just going to back out to the home screen, okay? And here it goes right there. And then we're going to open it up, give it a second to load up. And then as you see here, he fixed many things and added Discord in the background. And it's really good. It's a nice, clean setup. Hit OK. You could choose. I always like using the MX Player Pro. Hit accept. And as you see, if you don't know about Terrarium TV, I don't know where you've been, but it is really nice. This is a really clean setup. You have your TV shows. You have your setups there. Okay. Go into these little things here. Hit that. You got movies. Same kind of setups. You know what I mean? It's really easy and nice to use. To show you right quick, go here, Bohemian Rhapsody. Excuse me. You just hit the OK, back out of that. From this point, you can hit the play button, or you can hit you hit this here, or the play button on your remote. Okay. You just back out of that again. Give it a second. It's gonna find you links. And once you find your links, you're going to choose the link. I'll show you right now. Give it a second. It will pull up links. There you go. Let's say you want to see it there. You click that and you hit that play button. You hit that play right there. And then it should start right up. And give it some time to load up. Sometimes you got to wait on the links to pull up a better link or a more quality link. Okay? Let me show you real quick on the TV shows. Real quick and easy. You go to TV shows, so you go down to here. You go down to seasons. You choose your season, and you hit OK there. You choose the episode, and then from here, hit the play button on your remote, and it pulls up your links. You choose a link, and then once you choose the link that you want to see, and like I said, give it some time. It'll pull better, high quality links. The longer you let it load up. And then you hit that link and it's going to say you want to play it, as you see here. And then once you click that play button, you're good to go. You know what I mean? So let me back out of here. And let me just show you real quick what it is set up. It's very clean, very quick and easy to use. One thing I see these here, this is what I like. Once again, you can choose the year of the show or episode. It is real. I don't know how many times I can say it's really clean and easy to use. So that being said, let me back out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of how to get the new Dream TV, and it is compatible with your Firestick generation Firesticks, the second generation Firesticks. So I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like, subscribe, and share button, as well as talk about my channel. Also, check me out on Facebook, Twitter, or Telegram. Those are social sites that I set up. I have social sites that set up, so it's like a support group that you guys could talk among each other, or if you have concerns, questions, or even requests. Check me out. All that is down below in the description. Check it out. Feel free to hit me up with any questions in the comments. I try my best to answer them. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed and have a great evening.